Hi guys, it's Molly Jackson. I'm here with TATTI Lashes today and I'm going to show you how to apply their Invisi-Lash Kit. In case you didn't know, the Invisi-Lash Kit helps you create a custom lash look from the comfort of your own home and can last up to 7 days. The kit includes a lash wand, lash applicator, bond and seal, and then a pack of clusters in the style of your choice. I'm going to be showing you Mon Cherie. Those ones are personally my fave. Today I'm going to be showing you two different looks, so one for a winged eye look and then the other for a more rounded eye look, so you can see the different looks that you can achieve with these. I'm going to show you the wing look first. My lash map for this would be 2 16mm, 1 14mm and then 2 12mm. I would always start from the outer corner of your eye, applying the glue to the root of the lash, making sure that it's 1mm away from your waterline. Always work in sections, so apply the glue to where you're going to put each individual cluster. Then apply the lash cluster immediately to where you put the glue. I'm taking a 16mm first. If you struggle with removing the clusters from the tray, just gently peel them off with your fingers first and then pick them up with the lash applicator. I'm now going to apply the rest of the clusters step by step to achieve that winged look. The new and improved adhesive already has a curved wand which follows the natural shape of your eye, so this will be much easier when applying. From applying Invisi-Lashes so many times, I've learned that keeping your tweezers clean in between application makes it so much smoother. I'd advise using a makeup wipe or the Invisi-Lash remover to clean them. To make your lashes last up to 7 days, you need to seal them. The best way to apply your seal is to apply it directly where you place your bond. Start at the root and apply in a dabbing motion. If you're still feeling some stickiness, we would advise applying some of the sealant on top of your natural lashes. Take your lash applicator and clamp down the base of your lashes. This locks them in place and makes sure everything's blended together. If you're still feeling some stickiness, put some sealant onto your lash applicator and clamp down again. Now we've completed the winged eye look, I'm going to move on to the rounded eye look. I'm going to follow all the same steps that we did for the winged eye look, so applying your glue to the root of the lash and then immediately applying your cluster. For this eye, I'm going to use all 14mm length lash clusters. As these are all the same length, they follow the natural shape of my eye, which creates an instant rounded eye look. So that is how you apply the Invisi-Lash Kit. I've showed you a winged lash look and a rounded lash look. Let us know in the comments, guys, which one you prefer, and thank you so much for watching.